So today we're looking at midpoint and length between 2 points. So for example, let's find the midpoint and length between the points 2, 6 and minus 4, 2. So let's first sketch them. So 2, 6 is up here, minus 4, 2 is right there. So just imagine that we're wanting to find that length and where halfway is between them. So the first thing, let's find the length. Now the length is Pythagoras' theorem. So we think of putting in a triangle, and to do Pythagoras' theorem with this, we just want to find how long this length is and how long that length is. Well, that one's obviously 4 and this one is 6. Now you can actually get that from the x values, because the distance between 2 and minus 4 is 6 and the difference between 6 and 2 is 4. So we just do Pythagoras' theorem where that's the unknown. So we have x squared equals 6 squared plus 4 squared. X squared equals 36 plus 16. X squared equals 52. X equals the square root of 52. And I don't know what the square root of 52 is, so let's bring up a calculator. 7.2. So that length there is 7.2. Now to find the midpoint, we just do the average of the numbers. So the midpoint's going to be here, so we're expecting it to be minus 1 and 4. Well, let's have a look. So we get our x values, which is this one and that one, and we find halfway between all the averages, so we add them together. 2 plus minus 4 and halve it, which will get the average. 2 plus minus 4 is minus 2 on 2, which is minus 1, which is what we expected. Then if we get the y values 6 and 2, find the average of that, which is 4, as expected. So the midpoint is minus 1, 4. So why don't you have a go, see if you can find, draw up a number plane and find the length and midpoint between 6 and 1 and 1 and 5. Pause the video, have a go. Bling! There we go. So let's have a go. So what we did is we first have to plot the points. So let's start with 6 and 1, which is there, and 1 and 5, which is there. So this here is 6 and 1, and that is 1 and 5. So we want to find the midpoint, which is halfway between there and there. So the first thing we do is we want to find the average of the x's. So that's 6 plus 1 over 2. And we want to get the average of the y's, which is 5 plus 1 over 2. And we solve them. So that's 7 over 2, or 3.5. And this would be 6 over 2, or 3. So that there is our point. 3.5, 3. That looks like a midpoint to me. Alright, now for Pythagoras' theorem. Remember, we draw a triangle and work out the length of those sides. So that's obviously a length of 4. And this is a length of 5. So we do Pythagoras' theorem, where that's x. X squared equals 4 squared plus 5 squared. Remember, get the number square, add them in the square root. 16 plus 25. 41. X equals the square root of 41. Luckily we've still got our calculator here, and that's 6.4. Well done.